Welcome. We're going to take a look here at a comma rule. This comma rule will help writers to see how a comma follows a direct address. If you're not familiar with this rule or you're not familiar with what a direct address is, don't worry, I'll show you both the rule and some examples. All right, so a direct address is when a speaker states the intended recipient for a message. Now, I know that sounds complicated, but it's really not. It's just where one person is saying who's supposed to hear their message. I'll show you some examples. This is going to make this a lot clearer for you. A comma follows a direct address. It's going to follow that. Let me show you what this looks like. Mary, could I borrow your notes from class? Mary is the direct address. Mary is my intended recipient for my message. So I'm not giving this message to a whole group of people. I'm just giving it to Mary. I want Mary to hear me. And so I state Mary's name. This is the direct address. Okay? And that comma goes right after that direct address. Mary, could I borrow your notes from class? Okay? Mary is who this message is for. Another example, David, I need to get those tickets from you. This message is for David. The name David is the direct address in this sentence. So following that direct address, the writer has included a comma. It's right there. Mom, what are we having for dinner? Now, it doesn't always have to be a person's name. It can be a person's title, Mom. Okay, and that comma just goes right after that direct address. And another example here, students, please listen to the directions. So it can be a whole group of people. It doesn't have to be just one person. With Mary, David, and Mom, that's one person. But with students, that's a group of people. That's okay. That can still be a direct address. Students, please listen to the directions. And girls, let's get started. Okay, so again, we're addressing a group. We know that because it's plural. All right, so this is how writers use a comma when they have a direct address in their sentences. I hope that this is helpful to you, and good luck with your writing.